Not a whole lot left to burn in this, but look at that, it's just started up. That was from 3-4 days ago. Check it out, not bad. This pond dam's gonna be pretty. Low tire, I got a slow leak. Originally I was gonna have the excavator, it's so thick and nasty from years and years of these briars, and then eventually I'm gonna regrade all this. Stops underneath, don't tear my tractor up. Alright, I don't think I'm going to time lapse this one. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we got a beautiful day here, late January. It's in the 50s, it's sunny. So I'm going to get some stuff done at whatever I can. I'm going to start with the coyote, and I'm going to push a new burn pile together. I burned it last weekend. Alright, here's a midstream look. I think I'm gonna, you see my fire break here, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and burn this edge. So today we're gonna push it together, and I might do some more burning of our actual weeds around the pond dam. So anyways, want to get some sunshine, fresh air, make something happen. Beautiful day to be outside. Got rain coming, I think, starting the next few days again. Alright, this should be interesting. Them are some pretty good sized trees in there. Alright, let's see what the coyote's got here. Low four-wheel drive. Look at that, it's just started up. That was from 3-4 days ago. Let's keep pushing. Alright, now we're going in low gear. Try and move this big locust into the pile a little better. Don't know if the tractor will have enough juice or not. Not half bad. Oh, listen to them briars. Woo! They're thorns on that locust. Alright, we've got another locust here we're going to push over. That locust stump is still smoldering. So if we get some air in here. There we go. Stay there. Stay there. Perfect. The linked pedal don't work that great when you got the throttle up. Alright, let's just push this. This is mostly dirt here. Might be a little bit I could burn, but let me check back in. of burning this, but check it out, not bad. This pond dam's gonna be pretty. Alright, let's go on to the next mission. Alright, I'm gonna try and push a fire break. So I want to burn this stuff. Don't know if the tractor will have enough juice or not. We'll find out. Oh, that's nasty. Might need an excavator for this one. blow a tire. First time in 200 hours I've seen that it's doing a regen. So I turned the throttle up. Pretty sure that's what it wants, but not bad. 200 hours, I never even noticed it. Alright, I had a low tire. I got a slow leak in my two front tires. One of them I patched. The other one I haven't even looked at yet, so let's finish this fire lane up. I'd love to burn this patch today. Get back in low range. Originally I was going to have the excavator, I was going to pull and pile it, but it's so thick and nasty from years and years of these briars. that you know, there's about this thick of just the layer on the ground, not to mention the, you know, 8-foot tall tops, but it should go up like crazy. It's all dead and dry and brittle. And I'm not ready to tackle this pond dam, otherwise I would let it burn this whole thing. There ain't no other really fire risk, but Sharon is still picking honeysuckles from here for house projects. So that's why I'm kind of doing this. And then eventually I'm going to regrade all this pond dam and we'll be able to mow it. It's not that steep in this, most of it back here. Should be a really quick burn, I would think. Oh, jeez, that startled me. Stobs underneath. Don't tear my tractor up. Daggone it. Try to miss that stop on the way back. It's a nasty one. I missed it. Gotta pull it out. That's what we gotta do. Hopefully it didn't tear no wires under there. One single stop. It's about bigger than my thumb right here. Not anymore. Alright, I'll finish cleaning this up and maybe we'll throw a torch to it. Okay, here's the fire break. We'll see if it works. Worst case is this stuff goes up and Sharon's got to find honeysuckle somewhere in the woods, but alright, I don't think I'm going to time lapse this one. It'll just go forever, but it's... Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is where I'm going to call this episode. Be sure, if you enjoy our stuff, we appreciate it. Hit the like button, leave us a comment. So on the next episode of this mini series, I'm going to try and burn this whole briar patch down, and we're gonna see what happens, whether it's gonna burn or not. You'll have to join us and see if I got to break out another machine to try and get this cleaned up. But this is decades worth of overgrowth, and by this spring I have a vision that this pond dam is going to be nice grass where we're going to be mowing it. So stay tuned. Thanks for your support. Have a great evening.